Hello everyone, I am from Department of Horticulture, Fruit Science, MSc first year performing the propagation method called inverted tea budding. Materials required for this experiment is budding knife, polythene cover and scatier. At first, select the suitable plant to perform inverted tea budding. Take the complete portion of bud from the scion and place it to the rootstock. While removing the bud, please keep it in mind that bud should not be attached with the cambium, which does not allow to grow faster. In this video you can see that the cambium portion has been removed from the bud so that there will be early growth of the bud. Make a inverted tea cut on the rootstock in such a way that the bud should fix it in the proper manner. You can see that the inverted tea cut is made in the rootstock of the mulberry plant. After that, place the bud on the bark of rootstock of mulberry so that the bud should not get detached from this mulberry plant. Tie the inserted portion of the bud with polythene cover in such a way that the moisture should not enter into it. Wait 30 days for successful grafting. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.